Look at this. Golden, impossibly crispy on the outside, and when you pull it apart, pure melted mozzarella just stretches out like that. And no, we are not deep frying this. No giant pot of oil, no greasy mess, no babysitting a hot stove. I'm making this entire thing in my air fryer, and it's ready in just 7 minutes. I know. Let me show you. So let's talk about what you need. We're keeping this super simple, just a few pantry staples. You'll need 7 ounces, that's 200 grams, of mozzarella. Either a block cut into bite-sized pieces, or the small fresh balls. Both work perfectly. 2 eggs, some all-purpose flour and breadcrumbs, plus a pinch of salt and black pepper. That's it. For the oil, I'm using a 50-50 mix of olive oil and sunflower oil in a spray bottle. Either one alone is totally fine too. Step 1. Pat dry. Before anything else, this step is non-negotiable. You need to pat your mozzarella completely dry with paper towels. Fresh mozzarella holds a lot of moisture, and if you skip this, your coating will not stick. So take your time here. Every surface completely dry. Step 2. Egg wash. Alright, let's get started. Crack both eggs into a bowl, add a pinch of salt and black pepper, and whisk everything together. You want it fully combined, yolks and whites all mixed into one smooth, even wash. This is what's going to lock your breading in place. Step 3. Double coating. Now here's where the magic happens, the double coating. And I need you to pay attention here, because this is the whole secret to getting that perfect crunch without any cheese leaking out. First coat. Flour, then egg wash, then breadcrumbs. Make sure every single surface is covered at each step. No bare spots. Now for the second coat, and this one is different. No flour this time, just straight back into the egg wash and then right back into the breadcrumbs. Press gently so it all sticks tight. Trust me, that second breadcrumb layer is what gives you that insane crunch on the outside. And skipping the flour on the second round keeps the coating from getting too thick and heavy. Step 4. Freeze. Now, and this is the step most people skip, and it's a huge mistake. Put your coated mozzarella in the freezer for at least 1 hour. The longer, the better. The colder and firmer your mozzarella is when it hits the hot air fryer, the better the coating holds, and the less chance of any cheese leaking out. Step 5. Preheat. Alright, 1 hour later. Now, before we put them in the air fryer, preheat it first. Set it to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, that's 200 Celsius, for about 5 minutes. This step matters more than most people think. A cold air fryer means the cheese starts melting before the crust has a chance to set. Step 6. Oil spray and cook. Once it's preheated, grab your spray bottle. Spray your frozen mozzarella generously all over with that olive oil and sunflower oil mix. Don't be shy with the oil. That spray is what turns your breadcrumbs from pale and dry to gorgeous, deep golden brown. Alright, into the air fryer they go. 400 degrees Fahrenheit, that's 200 Celsius, and we're setting the timer for exactly 7 minutes. No flipping needed, no peeking every 2 minutes, just set it and let the air fryer do its thing. That's the beauty of this method. Oh man, look at that colour, that crunch, that cheese pull. And the best part? The outside is perfectly crispy, while the inside is completely melted. Not runny, not raw, just perfect. If this was helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, share it with a cheese lover you know, and subscribe to Emma Tips for more game-changing kitchen tricks every week. See you in the next one.